Okay, so now I'm in Cricut Design Space and I'm going to create a design that I'm going to cut out and use the Easypress and show you guys the whole process. So what we're going to do is we're going to go out to text, and I'm actually going to use system text instead of, you can use the text for the Cricut, but you know, I'm going to actually use a system text. I'm going to use a text off my computer, and I'm going to use just regular old Arial, and I'm going to hit the caps lock and put a C there. All right, oops. Let me bring this up where you guys can see it. And I'm going to size this C, and then I'm going to come down here to my edit, to my actions, and I'm going to say duplicate. Then I'm going to take the C and I'm going to rotate it, and I'm going to do that. Whoops, let's see if we can get this nice and neat. All right, and now I group those two together. So I'm going to come down here and hit the group button, and now they're together, so I can size them like that. And I'm going to hit the text button again, go back to system, use Arial again, and I'm going to type in all caps C space O space D space E space R, because I'm a coder and I'm making this shirt for work. And then I can just put that under there. Make sure it's centered. Right? Okay, now we're going to, that does not look centered. There. Okay. Still not sure. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to put a box around the whole thing, and we're going to go back to actions again, and we're going to group them again. And this time I'm going to weld them. And weld them will just make it cut this this emblem nice and clean for us. You don't have to weld, but if you do, you end up layering. So what welding does is it gets rid of some of the cut lines that we don't need. First, we want to make sure we have this size like we want it. So I want it to be about 6 inches. There. All right, so now I'm going to put now that I have it sized the way I want, I'm going to put a weeding box around it by taking a square, and I'm going to pull that square around it. And notice you can't see your font, you can't see your design anymore. So all you have to do is go back to your actions and or your edit, arrange, and send it to the back. And now your weeding tool is back there behind your logo or your design. So now all you have to do, if you go up here and you click the make button, now you can see how it's going to cut out on your design. And what you want to do, because I'm going to do this with heat transfer glitter, I'm going to mirror that, and that way it'll cut out properly so that when we put it on the shirt, it will actually be facing the right direction. It won't be backwards. So now that we've done that, I'm going to go up to the Cricut and we're going to cut it.
turn that on.